on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 12th of August. It's early here on this Tuesday morning. We're taking a look here at the markets. We're going to look at Aerodrome Finance on a daily chart. Here, the data is from Coinbase. So we had another, taking a zoom in here from yesterday, or recapping what we talked about yesterday. We had so at the time of the recording, we were above the low from Sunday. Well, obviously looking forward, we have made a new daily lower low all the way down to 108.211 yesterday. Well, we'll try this again today. We'll see what happens. So far today, we have a daily higher low. Market found support at the 109.607 level here on the chart, which is this yellow line. Today we have a higher low so far. We'll obviously see what happens. Today's low 109.9. So we're going to talk about a new upper price target. We'll drop into Bitcoin. We'll look at Bitcoin dominance. I will show you guys the list of products on our Signals membership in the PDF. We'll drop over to Coinbase and check out what's going on with the fear and greed, the altcoin indicator, and so on. So again, we don't know if today's going to be a higher low. So far it is. It's early on in the day. We have support at 109. Next level of support. Let's go through a couple levels of support below the market if we continue to pull back. We have 107, we have 102, we have 98, and then we have a 96 below that. If they push the markets down, guys, 98 to 96 wouldn't surprise me. And why is that? Well, that was the area that we broke out above. The market had resistance there back in the middle to end of July. We broke out above that level on the 8th of August. A back test would be pretty normal. It depends on what they do with the markets over there. So if we see that 98 to 96 test, again, it's really not that much further to the downside. I wouldn't be surprised. We have, let's see here, you could call that 11 to about 13% pullback to retest those highs, turning those areas from resistance into a level of market support. Overall, from the 73 zone, that was our support level, to where we're currently sitting at, it's up about 51% in just a couple days. Incredible. All right, so as of now, again, we'll change this later or tomorrow if the market continues to make new daily lower lows. But right now, again, we have a higher high. We have a new price target as of today's higher low at $1.39. So I believe yesterday's was $1.35. So we're up just a little bit higher than that. There's the date, August 11th, 25, new price target, short term, but $1.39. So where we're currently sitting at, which is 111 for Aerodrome Finance, that puts you up about 25% to the next area of potential market resistance. Oddly enough, guys, you see how these levels work. We have the market found resistance at my price target of 120 on, we closed just above it on the 9th. We closed at 129, or no, 121. We hit a high at 129. We found resistance at it on the Sunday the 10th, and we also found resistance at it wicking up above it on the 11th, and today we're quite a bit below it. So down in here, when the market was at 73 and starting to move higher, I said, look, I have a target of 120 short term. That was on 8.8, and that's still holding true. So once this market, and if this market continues to break out to the upside, again, maybe 96, 98 come into play first, short-term target 139. And if we get a pullback that deep, actually to 96 or 98, we'll have higher price targets for you guys, probably up in here, up in the 60s, 175 or so. We'll have to cross that bridge, depending on how far this pullback goes. So that's Aerodrome Finance, guys. Just to give you a quick moonshot scenario, we have a target all the way up there at $6. Again, if you think it'll happen, let me know. And that's the highest target I have right now. That might change over time, but right now I think that's very doable in the right conditions, in the right when the altcoins really start to move, which we're not quite seeing that yet. Over to Bitcoin dominance. Again, 139 is that new target, guys. 98, 96 for a deeper pullback if they decided to do that. Bitcoin dominance had two big up days with the higher low. Starting on Sunday, we had a 0.4% up day on Monday. Today's a lower high, and we probably have a lower low here on the daily. And maybe we're finding some resistance at this level that used to be support, which got broke on the 8th and 9th. Maybe it's back testing that, and gonna continue to the downside. About to get the death cross here for Bitcoin dominance, 50-day below the 200-day. Let's go over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a very solid breakout yesterday morning, Sunday night, and then reversed quite hard. We'll see if it recovers. I think it will. Very quiet here today for Bitcoin. We hit a high yesterday, 122,319. Let's head over to CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap, guys, we're actually seeing quite the opposite take place. We're not seeing the altcoin season indicator rise. We're actually seeing it drop. This is the lowest we've been in a month. So 27 looks like last month there, according to their data here, and we're at a 29. So we hit a 42 last week, and obviously we're at a 29 now. Little bit of greed here in the market. We're inching up here, not too crazy. We're at a 60 for that. All right, let's take a look at the spreadsheet for anybody interested in those signals. So here is the products that we currently have. There's a video made with this, the membership, and also you get on the email list, and I send you this as a PDF twice a day. So we have XXRP, GBTC, the IWM, GLD, QQQ, Tesla, TQQQs, SPY, DIA, SPXL, TNA, NVIDIA, Amazon, Palantir, XLM, SoFi, Bitcoin, Oracle, XRP, Aerodrome, UXRP, MSTR, AMD, Coin, Hood, Ethereum, and Avalanche. So if you're interested in that, it's not for everybody. Either join the membership or send me an email, which is also linked down below if you have any questions, and I will get back to you. So we're not quite there yet, guys. Altcoin season up. We're at a 30. We jumped up a little bit. Got a long way to go. 75. Ethereum. Maybe today we see the markets start to move back to the upside. Ethereum is moving here, nice, up 2% today, and we'll see if we can take out yesterday's highs, which actually was a new recent high at 43.6597. Do you think Aerodrome Finance will get to $6? Let me know down in the comments. If you are not yet subscribed, join us here on the channel. Hit that thumbs up. If you have any interest in those signals, there is a link down below. And of course, guys, not financial advice. Exciting times here. A lot of opportunity in the cryptocurrency markets as well as the stock market. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later.